don't do this at 3 a.m. in the morning. Technically, I should be asleep. It is 2:46 a.m. and sometimes I have compulsive disorder. Loosely, I don't want to say I actually have a diagnosis or anything, but I work at this station quite a bit. I work from home for one, and I'm just in here quite a bit, so this is kind of my area to be. Like, it's my little refuge, although on this side my daughter's crib and stuff. But so what's frustrating me though is down here, and I do not profess to being a cable management expert by any means, but I'm going to attempt to do some cable management, just in the sense that I need to be, for one, my daughter's almost 1, and I don't want her to be able to access anything down there of the sort. So, you know, it's one step to go through and plug up all the portholes with the little socket things and put the little locks on the cabinet drawers so they can't get into those things. But it's another thing to have cables down here. So I need to do something about it. And like I said, I want to do it with things that I have available to me in my handy dandy bag here. So I will attempt to scrimmage through here, grab some things that I think will work out and help me with better cable management. So this is really a budget conscious, do it yourself, find what you have at your house to do it. I mean, certainly there are plenty of things that you can buy, and there are people who are, I don't want to say geniuses, but there are people who are really good at cable management. I don't profess to be in that, but I am going to do my best attempt at doing something at 2-3 a.m. So stay tuned. Okay, so I can honestly admit that I did not know what the hell I was getting myself into when it comes to cable management, but what I do recommend is that you get the proper tools to be able to go through this process. Because for me, it was just, I did it with the stuff that I had, and I don't recommend that, because maybe it just takes patience. Maybe I'm misspeaking here. I took my time. I used what I had. It came together better than I thought. Nevertheless, I would still say, you know, I would think it'd probably be better if you buy the clips or buy the zip ties or buy whatever, because I used, like I said, whatever I had. But here's the final result. Well, almost final result. So you guys kind of saw the before, and what I end up doing is putting like the 3M tape on the back of this surge protector here, and then I use, like I said, the cabinets that I had some leftover whatever, I don't know what these handles, and so I put a handle here and then I came across and put another handle here, and then I came across and put another handle here. And so I just fed all the wires along kind of the back side of this and picked them up off the ground. So now you see what I'm working with. And I can't really do anything about this cable because this gives cable to, you know, from the outside of the house and to inside, so I can't really do too much about that. And then this is going to be here, but a lot of this, you know, won't be seen and won't be visible in the end. And my little handy dandy clock here is just, it is what it is. So is that right? Gee whiz. Okay, it's time for me to clean this stuff up. As you can see, I got stuff everywhere. I don't even use this keyboard. Yeah. So I guess the difficult thing was I had 2 MacBooks. So all right, so I'm going to clean this all up and show you the final after it's done. Bear with me. Sorry about the. It's 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. Bad idea, but I still did it. Don't do this at 3 a.m. in the morning. It was the dumbest idea because now it's like 5 something.